earn $120 for listening to music. Let's go to the video. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to today's video. We have found another awesome website for you. Stay with us until the end of the video so I can teach you all the tips. The first part of this site is the how it works section. This site summarizes itself in 3 words: simple, fast, earn. It divides into 4 parts. The first part is sign up, where it says you create a free account on the site and the site is 100% free. The second part is sign in, where you can log into your account and view it after signing up. The third part is start radio or use APR. This section says you start earning by clicking on and opening the radio links. You can also use the live API for your own website. Since we don't have a website, we'll skip this part. You can enter this website by entering your username and password. The fourth part is earn and pay out. This section says you get points every 15 minutes and these points will be converted to dollars the following month. You can then get paid through a bank transfer, convert it to Bitcoin, or receive an Amazon gift card. The next section covers the features of this site. It mentions some big features that we're going to love, including the first feature is high exactly compatibility, meaning you can complete the process even with the lowest and weakest system. The next feature is best placed ads, which places ads within the audio stream, but this also depends on our location. Another feature is Style Your Radio, allowing you to design your radio with various options and functions in real time. The next feature is Accurate Statistics, where you can always see the real-time stats of your radio and API. The next section is the registration section, which is, as mentioned before, is completely free like all the previous sites. We can complete our registration through this option, but let's check out a few more sections before we move on to registration. The next section shows us some live statistics from the website, including the number of members, which has reached 890,000. The next stat is listeners, showing that 95 people are currently listening. We can also look at the payment statistics, where the site has paid out $225,000 so far. The next section shows the countries where people are working on this website, with Asia, including countries like India, being highlighted. And people all over the world can work on this website. This is the United States, where you can see that 10 people are currently listening. We go back to the top of the site, click on the sign on option and complete our registration on this website. After registering, you come to this section, which is the main page of this website. Here, you can see your analysis chart showing how much money you've earned and how much radio you've listened to. You can also see real-time stats like your account balance. Scrolling down, we see the sections showing how many people are currently listening. You need to enter this website, click on the Start Earning option, and check its sections. This is audio 1, where you need to press the play button, and if you like, listen to it. Personally, I don't enjoy these videos, but I listen to them, and if they're good, I recommend them to you. You need to wait 15 minutes here to get paid. You can place your phone somewhere, play the radio, and come back after 15 minutes to collect your money. This way, you earn money without actually listening to the radio. Keep this tip in mind and share it with anyone you know. You won't become a millionaire or buy a car, house, or expensive watch through these websites, but you can earn some extra money that might cover your daily expenses. These are the setting actions. Where you can enter your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet address, change your password, and manage other settings. Alright guys, we reached the end of the videos. Thanks for sticking with us until now. Remember that these sites are considered your second job, so be mindful. Please, if you haven't liked our video yet, do so now. Subscribe to the channel and check out other videos. Until the next video, take care of your wallets.